Here we are going to remove these OEM rotors and get the new G-Brakes custom rotors on. When removing the OEM rotors, it's important to wipe your surface clean of any contaminants or something that could get in between the new rotors and its mating surface. Here we have the brand new rotor ready to go on. When applying these bolts, I recommend going in a star pattern. Also, I recommend checking your manufacturer manual for proper torque settings. Once the rotor's torqued and ready to be installed, make sure you wipe the rotor for any contaminants so it doesn't affect the stopping power.